When legendary singer Patti Labelle learned she had diabetes over 20 years ago, she thought that meant no more fun in the kitchen. However, she soon realized that she could not just live with diabetes, but live well. We are delighted to have the music legend and cookbook author joining us now. Hey, Patti.
Well, if you're just diagnosed, you really have to use your head and take care of yourself and try to live longer by, seeing your doctor often, trying to keep that A1C down as low as possible, eating better, exercises and all those things, and eating the right foods and the right beverages. And my beverage of life is the Hood Calorie Countdown beverage. It's less calories, less sugar, less carbohydrates, and it tastes like a dream. Just really great. And I use it for my sweet potato pies. I use it for the coffee, the cereal, the shakes.
So do you have any recipe recommendations for someone looking to change their diet?
In my last cookbook, it's a cookbook of 75 desserts. I always go to the Greek yogurt because that's a good one to eat if you're diabetic. And you can, everything in my book, you can substitute with agave. You don't have to use the sugar and the butter and all this stuff. Everything you can substitute in my book. And that makes it a good book because everything tastes the same when you substitute.
Patti, thank you so much. For Morning Dose, I'm Nicole DeCosta.